Welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey!
And I want to say in anticipation, I want to apologize for not being and have made a video like in a week or so, but I'm here, I'm back. And tonight, I want to make, guys, Puerto Rican coquito. And that's what they call it, Puerto Rican. That's where it comes from. And it's some kind of like, it's an eggnog with the same ingredients that they make here in the States, but with a kick, because a lot of people, they put rum. I am not going to put rum on mine, but I'm going to show you all the ingredients that it does consist of. And as you can see, we're going to put one whole can, not one can, half a cup of condensed milk. We're going to put one whole can of coconut milk. So what I'm going to do is we're going to pour it in the blender. And we're going to put one can of evaporated milk. And we're going to put, no, 2 cans of evaporated milk.
That's right.
And half a cup of condensed milk. But I don't like measuring, so I know this is like a cup. So I'm just going to put half of it, you know. But it says almost to pour it almost all. Because it's not even a whole cup here of it. It's less than that. So this is what just going to make it sweet and what is going to hold it together. Let me just do this with my finger so we don't waste any of it.
That's right.
You know, I mean, the last little bit, you know, it counts.
Every drop counts.
Every drop counts. There you go. That's how I say it. Okay, so that's what we put in. We put a can of coconut milk, 2 cans of carnation milk, and almost 1 whole can of condensed milk. I only had a little bit left there, you know.
That's right.
And then this is my ground cinnamon, which is organic cinnamon. I just put it in here, but I get it from the market, and I get it by the ounce.
That's right.
So I get it in these little plastic bags, and since I have these canisters already, these things, I just pour it in there. Okay, so we're gonna put some cinnamon. You can put cinnamon for your own taste. Ginger, quiet. I think. Yeah, like that, right?
That's right.
Yeah, a little bit of cinnamon like that. And then you want to put a little bit of ground nutmeg. Here you go.
All right.
Just put a little bit, you know.
A dash.
Like that, yeah.
A pinch.
But wait. But a little, there you go, like that. Like
a smidget.
That. Yeah, a smidget of it.
That's right.
And then some vanilla. You want to put 1 tablespoon. You want to measure this. What it says there, Michael? 1 teaspoon?
1 teaspoon.
Yeah. That's what it says to put. You want to put a little bit more?
That's
I like that
2
vanilla flavor.
teaspoons?
Yeah, because the only thing that I'm not going to put, guys, which I'm going to have Michael now follow me, Michael, so I can show everybody. I took it out, you know, Coquito, also people add Bacardi rum, you know. So this is what we're going to do, guys. Mine does not going to have no Bacardi.
But if you
want.
want.
Then after you have all the ingredients together, you're going to put your top off. I hope it doesn't overflow.
No.
And we are going
We're about to find out.
Where's my glasses, Michael, so I can see? Oh, hold on a second, people. Let me just put this. Wow, I'm going blind. Yep. Mama's going blind. We are beating it. We are just, no, we're going to we're going to smoothie on high.
It's overflowing. Yep, it's overflowing.
Yeah. It doesn't matter. I'm just gonna pour a little bit out because that's what it is, right?
That's right.
It's a little bit too much in there, but I want everybody to see it when I actually take it out. Sorry, guys.
A little too much.
Yeah, a little too. Oh my God! It does smell. Just this. So when we blend now, right?
That's right.
Sorry, guys, about
it's okay.
the mess. Let me just take these glasses
It's
off.
a kitchen.
Let's put that top back on, and what you do is you mix all this. So you know this has to be chilled. So we have to.
Overflow again. It's overflow.
Delicious. That's why it's okay.
Okay.
I have still. You see that one there? Wait, because you don't understand.
Pour out a little more.
I know.
So.
Like that?
A little
Yeah.
more.
You think?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because for some reason I think it foams, guys, when you blend it. Or like
well,
it rises.
You know, well, yeah.
Unexpected.
But it's gonna be delicious, so let's
That's
go
science.
for it again. Here we go. Blend it really good all together. Blend, people. And Merry Christmas to all, okay? And to all, have a great fun with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe. And let's try to get along all together. Make some coquito. Put some rum in it. If you want to visit, there we go. So everything is mixed together really good. You know, so what we're going to do now, what I am going to do right now is I'm going to come over here because I have 2 bottles over here with a water. Okay, these were like wine bottles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish pouring this 1 bottle. And because I have a little bit, because it was almost overflowing, but it was mixed already before all that happened. So what you do, guys, is you take this, see, and you put the lid back on, which is this, and you have to refrigerate it. You have to chill it for a couple of hours. Right back, don't forget to subscribe. We chill it for a couple of hours, okay? And then you can pour it. You can put it like in shots, in those chart glasses, and then that's it. We'll be right back. I already put a bottle in the fridge with Michael, you know, he will be showing you guys. And then this is another bottle. It's empty. I wash it of wine. And so what we're going to do is we're going to pour it. Pour it through. Oh, it smells, guys. I took a little bit. Oh, my God. It just brought me memories back when I was a little girl.
Wow, look at that.
Let me tell you, it is beautiful.
Beautiful.
See, so that's 2 full bottles. So I'm going to put it next to the other one. We are going to refrigerate this for 2-3 hours, and then we're going to enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, okay, guys? And we'll be right back. So this is a little bit of coquito that I poured. It's only been chilling like for an hour, but I'm making some plátano, so I wanted to come back to you guys and tell you guys that this brings me memories of back when I was a little girl. This is amazing. Just the smell, and all you remember is like the tree, Christmas, my parents, my cousins, the snow. Oh, I love it, guys. Merry Christmas to all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Google Plus, on Tumblr. And also, if you want to donate, you can just scroll down, click on the link. I'm making some plátanos here. Click on the link, and you can donate $1. Or if you need like dog food for your puppies and cats and animals, I also have a link for dog food. It's called lifesabundance.com/for-all. Click on the link, it'll take you directly to the website. And again, thanks for watching. I hope you guys learn how to make your own coquito for your family and friends. Like I said before, you can add Bacardi rum if you want, or any kind of any other type of rum. Bacardi white rum is the best. And with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Love you all. Don't drink and drive. Thanks for watching. And happy holidays, everyone.